Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Emmanuel from Digital Sensei. Yeah, so today we're going to be talking about 6 good ways you can improve your digital marketing strategies. If you are running, if you own a business or you're working as a digital marketer for a company and you are looking for 6 quick ways or 6 easy ways that you can use to improve your business online. So the first one is video, okay? So nowadays people do think that doing a video is old, or having a YouTube channel where you put content weekly, daily, annually, anyhow you want, is too late to start a YouTube page. But I'm here to say that no, video is very good for businesses, especially businesses that offer services as a product. You have to put videos out there. Having a video, increases trust. Having a video increases your brand awareness. Having a video tells your customers or people online that you are legit and you know what you're doing, especially if you are putting additional videos that are teaching people, how to use your product or services. Okay, so you can put a video on YouTube, do a short Instagram reels, TikTok video, put it on Facebook. So the second one is clarity. Clarity is, having in mind who your target market is, where your target market usually hangs out, your age, the demographic of your target market, how much the income range of your target market. It's just to know, clarity also means knowing which social media platform you should focus more, which landing page story should use, how many times you run ads. Clarity just means knowing what is best for your business, how to market your business, and who to market your business to, so that you will not waste your budget and you get the best ROI for your money. So the third one is pay per click ads. The pay per click ads are ads you can do on Google. For example, if you want to watch a video on YouTube, there's some 15-second ads that will pop up or play before you watch a video. Those are pay per click ads. You can also do a pay per click ad on Facebook and Instagram. You have to spend money in order to make money in marketing. Okay, so you should budget for running paid ads on social media platforms you feel that your clients tend to hang out on ads. Okay, so please invest in pay per click. So the first one is working with influencers. Okay, working with influencers is very, very important especially for companies that are selling high ticket services or products. Okay, working with influencers will increase trust, will bring clients that have the money to buy your product, especially if your product is a very high ticket class product. Okay, so you can search for influencers on Twitter, Instagram, and work with 1 or 2 or 3 of them depending on your budget. So the last one is social media strategy. Okay, so in this era 2022, every business needs a social media account, either on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, depending on what you're selling. Every business needs a social media marketing strategy. Okay, every business also needs a website, but you see social media marketing, it's very, very important. You can put a follow button on your website, a social media follow button on your website to increase your followers. You can run ads to increase your followers. You have to post every day to increase your followers. You have to make use of good social media features like Instagram Reels. You can do a Twitter space, to show people that you know what you're doing, that your services are legit, to educate people, give them free education about topics relating to your business. On LinkedIn, reach out to business owners, to top managers, to employees of different companies that you are targeting to sell your product to. Okay, so with this small video, I hope you've learned the 6 ways you can improve yourself as a digital marketing. If you're a digital marketer, thank you very much. Please hit the like button and subscribe to see more educative videos like this. Thank you.